Hey class, good evening everyone. How are you all doing today? How are you all? Awesome. All of you have done the test. जो टेस्ट मिला था, have you done the test? सब लोगों ने टेस्ट दिया था? Have you attempted the test or not? Yes. Let me know. Have you attempted the test? Done. Yes, no. थोड़े बहुत no हैं, but yes भी है बहुत सारे. चलो very good. देखो. Today we have given you one test and I am discussing this test today right now. Now one more test will be given to you. Understand? One more test will be shared with you today. That test again I will be discussing it with you tomorrow. ठीक है? So two tests are there. One test we have already given, जो कि तुम लोगों ने कर लिया है, and I am discussing the test. One more test is there which will be shared. So keep following the community page. There you will get the notification for the test, the link to test. Attempt that test and then come for the previous next session also, so that you will be able to understand more. ठीक है, जल्दी से चालू करते हैं. So this was the test session. You can see Vedantu class 9th and 10th community page. This was the test link shared with you all. जिन लोगों ने किया होगा, and I have told you कि 3 PM will be discussing the test now. ठीक है, तो चलो चालू करते हैं. First we'll go for the section A questions. Section A questions. Let's start. So 1 to 10 are multiple choice questions. We are going to discuss that part. First one, which of the following numbers are irrational? अब देखो यार, root 25 is 5, which is a rational number. Root 9 is 3, which is a rational number. 2 is already rational number. Root 5 is not a rational number. It is an irrational number. Let's move to the next question. Number of decimal places after which the decimal expansion of the rational number terminates. So first thing, the terminating decimal head should have in the denominator only 2 and 5. After that, you see, is there any cancellation possible? No. 23 is a prime number. There is no cancellation possible. Now, the number of digits after the terminating decimal is the highest power, either of 2 or of 5. So power of 2 here is 2. Power of 5 is 1. So out of these two, the larger power is what? 2. So 2 will be the terminating. So 2 terminating digits will be there in this part. Okay, so 2 is your answer. Let's move to the next question. The next question is this. If the zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial are in AP, then get the value of k. What is the value of k? अब बेटा देखो, since it is a cubic equation, we know that the 3 roots will be there, alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, now since they are given in AP, I have told you जब 3 quantities होती है, if there are 3 quantities and if they are given in AP, the best way to solve that question will be taking those 3 terms. Yesterday's session also I have told you this thing. When 3 terms are in AP, take them as A minus D, A and A plus D. What you will take it as? A minus D, A and A plus D. So I will say that sir, all the 3 roots are A minus D, A and A plus D. Now I know for a cubic equation, the sum of the roots is equal to minus of coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. So A minus D plus A plus D will be minus 12 by 1. ठीक है, so from here देखो D to D will get cancelled, you will get 3A is equal to 12, तो A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 का value we have got. A is equal to 4 value we have got. Now I will use this part. Alpha coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So A by A minus D into A into A plus D and A plus D into A minus D taken 2 roots at a time is equal to 39. Solve करो इस equation को. At the end you are getting 3A square minus D square is 39. We already know A is equal to 4, put 4 here. So 16 into 3 which is equal to 48 shifted there. So you will be getting D square is equal to 9. So D can be equal to plus minus 3. D can be equal to plus minus 3. Now we know that the roots, if D is plus minus 3 beta, if the D is plus minus 3, what I can say, put the values of D in this part. So either you can say 4, if first suppose let us say D is equal to plus 3. So 4 minus 3, 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. If D is equal to minus 3, 4 minus of minus 3 is 4 plus 3, 7, 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So either it will be 1, 4, 7, 7 for 1, same thing for us. Now the last part, alpha into beta into gamma, that is 7 into 4 into 1 will be equal to negative of the constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So minus k is equal to 28. So k is equal to minus 28. बच्चों ने क्या मिस्टेक किया हुआ है? बच्चे will make the mistake कि k is equal to 28. They will read, remember, minus of constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. ठीक है? So plus minus alternate आता रहता है. Okay? So I am showing you the solution one more time. ध्यान से देख लेना. Take a snapshot so that you can do it one more time. Okay? Let's move to the next question. 8 chairs and 5 tables for a classroom. cost, it is not cost, cost rupees 10,500, while 5 chairs and 3 tables cost rupees 6450, the cost of each chair. तो बस यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशन बन जाएगा. Let us say that the cost of the table is, cost of the chair is x, cost of the table is y. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 10,500, and the second equation will be 5x plus 3y is equal to 6,450. Solve both the linear equation in two variables. You will be getting x is equal to 750. So we will say cost of each chair will be equal to 750. Got it? Linear equation in two variable का सवाल है. All of you can do it very easily. ठीक है, जल्दी से अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर चेक करते रहना. How many answers you have done? Keep checking your answers. How many answers you have got correct? Okay. Let's move to the next question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 13,200. Later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls. Again same kind of question. Linear equation in two variable. 7x plus 3y is equal to 13,200. 3x plus 5y is equal to 5,900. Solve both the equations. You will be getting x is equal to 1800. ठीक है, सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन किया हुआ है तुम लोगों ने आराम से. Let's move to the next question. If the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, then the sum of its first term. I think this question, देखना ध्यान से, बहुत इजी है. When the nth term is given, an, एक बार सुन लो, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा बता देता हूं. an is equal to 2n plus 1 given. Okay, an, general term of an AP is given. So now put the value of n, you will get whatever term you want. Suppose if you want to get the 10th term, so put n is equal to 10. So you will get a10 is equal to 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21. So similarly, you want the sum of first three terms. So a1, put n is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. a2, put n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 into 2, which is 4 plus 3, 7. And a3, which is equal to 2 into 3. Oh, sorry, 5. 2 into 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7. तो बस ये तुम्हारी 3 terms है. Add them, you will get sum as 15. ठीक है, बहुत easy question होते हैं, बहुत easy question होते हैं ये सारे. Let's move to the next question. If the centroid of triangle ABC have vertices a, b, b, c and c, a is the origin. So centroid is origin. Centroid is origin means centroid coordinates are 0, 0. Then what is the value of a plus b plus c? Now if the three vertices are known, I can say if the triangle's coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, the centroid coordinates are x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So x coordinate a plus b plus c divided by 3 is equal to x coordinate of origin is what? 0. So a plus b plus c divided by 3 is equal to 0. So I can say a plus b plus c will be equal to 0. Got it? ठीक है, मैं जल्दी जल्दी कर रहा हूं बेटा because you have already done it. Okay, we are moving very quickly. Let's move to the next question. If the points a, x, 2 and b which is minus 3, 4 and c which is 7, 5 are collinear, क्या करोगे? Either you can say, देखो दो तरीके से you can solve this. Either you can say AB, check, find out the length of AB, find out the length of BC and find out the length of AC, and sum of two sides should be equal to the third side. One part. Other is what you can do कि तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो? Find out the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle formula we know, half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So area of the triangle, if 3 points are collinear, it will form a straight line. So the area of triangle should be equal to 0. Solve करो उसको, you will get x is equal to 63. ठीक है, देख लो मैं तुमको बता रहा हूं यहाँ पे. The whole solution is here. Any doubt you are getting? कुछ calculation mistake किया है? Pause this part and see the solution here carefully. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is this. In the triangle ABC, it is given that AB by DE is equal to BC by FD. Then, तो देखो यार, पहले सोचो how the triangles must have been. Draw two triangles. Okay, draw two triangles. AB and DE are corresponding sides. So AB and DE are corresponding sides. Then BC and FD. So BC and AB by DE, AB by DE is there, and BC by FD. AB is here, DE is here, BC is here. रुको यार, क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे? ABC. So AB by DE, हाँ, and BC by FD. अच्छा ठीक है, ऐसे बनाना था. ओके, सो AB and BC. अब यहां पे देख लो AB, अरे यार why it is changing a lot. देख लो AB and DE they are proportional, BC and EF are they are proportional. So देखो A will be equal to E, B will be equal to D and C will be equal to F. Corresponding angle should be equal. ठीक है, corresponding angles का ध्यान रखना है, बस यही करना है तुमको कि नाम याद रख लेना कि corresponding sides how do you write. B is corresponding to D, A is corresponding to E and C is corresponding to F. Okay, corresponding points you have to find out. ध्यान रखना हमेशा. Let's go for the next part. P and PB. अब ये तो बहुत easy है यार. P and PB are tangents to a circle with center O such that AOB ये 110 है. Find out the value of APB. You know these two are 90, so some of these two should also be 90 because AOPB is a quadrilateral. So we will say 110 plus P is equal to what 180 degree. So angle P will be equal to 70 degree. ये वाला तो no one should do wrong. ये वाला तो no one should do wrong because it's very easy. Anyone here who did this question also wrong. कभी मत करना यार. ठीक है. Let's move to the next question. Next question is this. Fill in the blanks. जल्दी करते हैं. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then c will be equal to what? ध्यान से देखो. If the roots are equal, we know b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So you will say b square is equal to 4ac. So c is equal to b square upon 4a. ठीक है? c is equal to what? b square upon 4a. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Awesome, awesome. Sabash, sabash. Let's move to the next question. 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to what? तो बेटा देखो 1 minus sin square theta is very much identifiable, right? Now you can say 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta, है ना? Identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is cos square theta into sec square theta. Cos and sec are reciprocal of each other. 1. Sabash, sabash, very good. Awesome, awesome. अब देखो 18 का first part 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. Sec square theta into cos square theta is again equal to 1. Next part देखो, a ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of a vertical wall. अब देखो यहाँ पे ना some students make this mistake, not all but some makes this mistake. देखो this is the wall, okay, and let's say this is the ladder. The ladder is 15 meter long. Now remember what they are saying. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree, लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे 60 डिग्री लिख देते हैं, but wrong. Read the question. 60 degree with the wall. 60 degree with the wall. That means this angle is 60 degree. So this angle will be 30 degree. Okay. ये silly mistakes हैं which people make. These are the silly mistakes which students make. That is why I'm telling you. The angle of 60 degree with the wall. So make the 60 degree with the wall and then use the trigonometry. तो तुम लोग use करोगे. You will solve it. तो देखो यहाँ पे तुमको मिल जाएगा. H will be equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Okay. This height of the wall will be what? यहाँ पे use करो. Perpendicular you want to find out and the hypotenuse is given. So sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 15 by 2. Very good. 7.5. See, I have told you many have done wrong. शुरू में मेरे को √3 के आंसर आ रहे थे. Got it? 7.5 meter is the correct answer. Okay. Happy Holi to all of you also. Let's move to the next question. In making 1000 revolutions, a wheel covers 88 kilometer. The diameter of the wheel. बताओ बेटा. When you rotate a wheel, okay, suppose a cylindrical wheel. Wheels are in the form of cylinder. So when you rotate a wheel, in one rotation, the area covered is equal to the area covered when a cylinder rotates. In one revolution, how much area does it cover? Circumference हो रहा है ना. हाँ, यहाँ पे wheel को circumference लेंगे तो बस circumference into 1000 कर लो, make it equal to 88 kilometer. So 88 kilometer को they have converted कि भाई sir in one revolution it is getting 88 meter. So pi d is equal to this. So they have called diameter is equal to 28 meter. बहुत easy है, ध्यान रखना. Now see, in place of wheel, sometimes they give you the roller question also. याद है? In surface area and volume, roller question is also given. हाँ, very good. In roller question, you will use the CSA, curved surface area. Okay, याद रखना. If the wheel and all is given, so they are only taking it as a circle. If the roller and cylindrical part is given, तो what they will say? They will say कि sir, you have to use the CSA. याद रखना ये बात. With the wheel, you will take circumference. With the cylinder, you will take the curved surface area. What you will take? Curved surface area. So 28 meter is the correct answer. Very good. Let's move to the next question. A rectangular sheet of paper 40 centimeter into 22 centimeter is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of height 40 centimeter. So find the radius of the cylinder. But बस थोड़ा सा एक बार diagram समझ लो इसका. Okay. This cylinder is there. Okay. 40 and 22. अब देखो what they are saying, you have rolled it in such a way that the height height of the cylinder is 40 centimeter. मतलब तुमने, how do you have rolled? You have rolled it like this. You have rolled it like this. So the cylinder formed will be something like this, where the height is 40. Okay, so you can say, sir, this circumference 2 pi r is equal to 22. बस ये करना था तुमको. Okay, circumference will be equal to this part ना, convert हो गए. So circumference of that circular face will be equal to 22. So 2 pi r is equal to 22 में solve करोगे, you will get your answer r is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, अरे क्या कर दिया, 4 pi r square. ये गलत कर दिया क्या क्वेश्चन? हाँ, this question, this answer has been wrong. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं अपन लोग. 2 pi r is equal to 22. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 22. Sorry, 22 r is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 आ रहा है ना सबको? 3.5 centimeter. Correct. 3.5 centimeter is correct. Okay, 3.5 centimeter is correct answer. 7 by 2. Okay, चलो शाबाश, very good. Awesome. तो ये वाला I think for some different question, leave that part. Okay, it is not the part. Our answer is 7 by 2. Next question, 16 to 20. Answer the following. Let's see. A metallic solid sphere of radius 9 centimeter is melted to form a solid cylinder of radius 9 centimeter. The height of the cylinder. बेटा बता दो इसमें मेरे को क्या करना है? What should be compared? Just tell me the hint. What should be done? If a metallic solid sphere is melted and converted into a cylinder, क्या करना है बताओ जल्दी से मेरे को? Volume comparison. Very good, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे. So what I'll say, volume of this metallic sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder formed. So volume of the metallic sphere is what? जल्दी से बताओ. Volume of the metallic sphere देख लो, 4/3 pi r cube is equal to pi into r square into h. Solve कर दो, 2 9 to 2 9 got cancelled, pi to pi got cancelled, h is equal to 4/3 into 9 which is equal to 12 centimeter. Very good. याद रखना बेटा, melting, when you do the melting of something and convert into the other shape, the volumes remain equal. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Two dice are thrown together. The probability of getting the same number on both the dice. This question, I think some of you have asked me in the chat, in the email also. बताओ जल्दी से मेरे को. What is going to be the answer for this question? What is going to be the answer? 1/6. Very good. Sir, total 36 cases are there. When you throw the two dice, total 36 cases are there, and out of those 36 cases, only 6 cases are there in which we have the same number on both the dice. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So favorable cases are 6. Total cases are 36. 6 by 36 is 1/6. Very good. Next part. The probability of getting two heads when two coins are tossed. So two heads you will get only one case out of total 4 cases. So 1/4 is your probability. ठीक है? तो बेटा always remember two cases में what are the total number of cases you should know. Okay. In two dice what are the total number of cases you should know that part. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Consider the following frequency distribution table. The model class. जल्दी से, model class means what? The class who is having the highest frequency. बस 30 is the highest frequency, 30 to 40 is the model class. खत्म, और क्या यार, बहुत easy है. Very good. 30 to 40. Awesome. Next question. In the given figure, the number of zeros. जल्दी से बताओ. Number of zeros. How many number of zeros are here? Tell me quickly. How many number of zeros are here? How many number of zeros? 3. Very good. Point of intersection with x-axis. So 1, 2 and 3. -4, 3 and 5 are the number of zeros for this polynomial. Next part. What is the HCF of the smallest prime number? Which is the smallest prime number? Tell me the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2, and the smallest composite number four. Smallest composite number is 4. Remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 doesn't come in category. So HCF of 2 and 4 will again be what? 2 only. देखो इतना easy question था, but just they have twisted key. Tell me the HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number. But if you will see, it is nothing but the HCF of 2 and 4. Understand? Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. Now we'll move to the section B. Okay, section B में 6 questions are there, 2 marks each. First question. If one root of the polynomial, this polynomial is the reciprocal of other, then find the value of m. अब बेटा ध्यान रखना, let's say one root is alpha, the other root is going to be 1 by alpha, है ना, reciprocal of other. And the most important thing here, if you remember, we have solved it in the previous classes also, but if I multiply them, alpha will get cancelled. So product of roots, alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to constant term m divided by 5. सो 1 इज इक्वल टू m by 5, मतलब m क्या है अपना 5, खत्म, देख लो. Is it clear? Very good, Sabash, very good, very good, very good, awesome. So m is equal to 5 is going to be your answer. Let's move to the next question. Check whether 6 raised to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. So you will say कि sir, to create a zero, the prime factorization must include one pair of 2 into 5. If you have 2 and 5 both available in the prime factorization, then only you can create 0. Now 6 raised to the power n will always have 2 and 3 in the prime factorization. 5 will never be present there, and since 5 is not present, we will say it cannot end with 0, because always remember beta, to create 0 in any number, the prime factorization must include at least one 2 and at least one 5. Got it? Is it clear? So we will say it will never happen. Next, find the value of k for which the quadratic equation has no real roots. तो क्या करना है? No real roots के लिए what do you do? What do you do for no real roots? Discriminant should be greater than 0, equal to 0, less than 0. What should be done? Discriminant should be greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. No real roots. Discriminant should be less than 0, greater than 0. जल्दी से बताओ. Less. Very good, very good, very good. Discriminant should be less than 0. Discriminant greater than 0 means real and distinct roots. Discriminant equal to 0 means real and equal roots. And discriminant less than 0 means what? No real roots. So bus, discriminant less than 0 you have to find out. So the discriminant here for this part, if you will check, you will get 25 minus 8k. Solve it for less than 0. So you will get k should be greater than 25 by 8. ठीक है? Although ये थोड़ा सा high level का हो गया है, standard के, because inequalities is not in your syllabus, but the NCERT, both in standard as well as basic, can ask you the question for real roots. Okay, real and equal roots. Equal roots का question NCERT will ask because inequalities is not in your syllabus yet. Okay, so equal roots के question will come. Okay, the question, if it comes in board, they will say कि find out the value of k for which this quadratic equation has equal roots. ठीक है? This is the combination for both. ठीक है? Let's move to the next question. Sin square 73 degree plus sin square 17 degree divided by cos square 37 degree plus cos square 53 degree. अब this sin square 17 degree, if I convert it into cos, what I'll do? Sin theta convert to cos theta, what will do? Cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus 17, and cos of 90 minus 17 is equal to 73. So this will become sin square 73 plus cos square 73, which is 1. Numerator is 1. Similarly, cos square 37, cos square 53, if I want to convert it into sin square 90 minus 53, which is again 37. So the denominator is also again 1 by 1 is answer is 1. Sabash. यहाँ पे देख लो, cosec theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to this, you have to prove. याद रखना, this we have to prove. So we'll try to go towards this part. क्या करेंगे? We will open the bracket. So cosec theta is 1 by sin theta plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, sin theta is the common denominator. You have got 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, now you have shifted this part. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, this is 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Now I saw कि sir RHS में ना only sec theta was there. So what I'll do, I'll try to get rid of the sin square theta. I will write the sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Now a square minus b square by 1 square minus cos square theta will be what? 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. अब देखो ये 1 plus cos theta will cancel, 1 plus cos theta. So you are left with 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Divide this whole numerator and denominator both by cos theta. You will get sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1. ठीक है? Is it clear? देख लो जल्दी से. Beta, this mock test is shared with you today, and one more mock test will be shared with you today evening as well. ठीक है? याद रखना. So keep following the page. One more mock test will be shared with you today evening, and again that same part I will discuss it tomorrow. ठीक है? जल्दी से. Okay? Let's move to the next question now. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 15 minutes. So देखो भाई, when the minute hand is moving, it is covering the sector of an area. So area of the sector you have to find out. But they are saying the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So you have to find out the theta. तो देखो यार, total, if you have a clock, how many minutes are there? Total 60 minutes. 60 minutes are there. So I can say, sir, 60 minutes represents, one complete circle is 360 degree. So how much 1 minute represent? Sir, 1 minute represents 360 upon 60, which means 6 degree. 1 minute represents 6 degree. So 5 minutes which will represent how many degrees? Sir, 6 into 5, which is 30 degree. Bas. 30 degree is the area of the sector. So you have to find out the area of the sector. So theta by 360 into pi into r square, where your theta is equal to 14 centimeter. Sorry, theta is equal to 30 degree and radius is equal to 14 centimeter. ठीक है बेटा? All of you were able to get the degree. Degree सबको मिल गया था? Degrees all of you found? Degree सबको मिल गया था? शाबाश. Very good. Degree सबको मिल गया था. Very good. Okay, so this way you will be solving it here. मिल जाएगा आंसर. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle where the circumference of a circle is 44. So first what you are going to do, circumference of the circle is given, find out the radius. So radius we will say 2 pi r is 44, radius we have got as 7 centimeter. अब radius मिल गया, area of the quadrant is what? Pi r square by 4. कर लो, you will be getting 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, clear है? Is it clear? Yes, chalo, very good, very good. How to get the, where to get the mock test? Beta, mock test is available on the community page. Test link is shared there. Let's move to the next part. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to DC, find the value of X. Acha beta, tell me one thing. How will you find out the equation? How will you write any equation in X? बस मेरे को ये बता दो. How do you write any equation in the X? How will you write the equation in X? How will you get the equation? वो main part है ना? How will you get the equation? Midpoint? No, not midpoint. Angle sum property में तो नहीं यार, sides दिया हुआ है. अरे वाह, who was that? Jugal. The diagonals are proportional. Very good. याद रखना बेटा, in a trapezium the diagonals are proportional. Diagonals are proportional. Okay. In all the other quadrilaterals, parallelogram, rectangle, all the other one, diagonals bisect each other, but in parallelogram they do not bisect. They are proportional. How do you prove that? एक बार proof दिखा देता हूं मैं तेरे को. In triangle AOD and triangle, let's say BOC. First thing you know, these two angles are equal. है ना? Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. ठीक है? First part we have done this. Now you can say कि sir, since AB and CD are parallel, so this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, so AOB में कर लेते हैं. अच्छा, जहाँ से मिल रहा है वो करें ना. AOB और COD कर लेते हैं. So AOB and COD में you will get angle AOB is equal to angle COD, and then you will say कि देख लो, this angle, which is this angle, angle CDO is equal to angle OBA. ठीक है? तो by AA similarity you can say that sir, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So from here you can say sir, AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. ठीक है? This is the proof. अब एक ऐसा question separately also they will give this question. What the question is? That prove that the diagonals of a trapezium intersect each other proportionally. ठीक है? Prove that, yes, it is necessary to show this proof. कर लोगे, 2 मिनट लगेगा बेटा. Since this question is of 3 marks, तो करना जरूरी है यार, proof कर देना एक बार. ठीक है? Now make the equation, so you will get x plus 5 upon x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. ठीक है? ये वाली इक्वेशन सॉल्व करोगे, you will get your answer. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सॉल्व दिस, you will get a quadratic equation. अच्छा, x square कैंसिल हो गया. 3x minus 10 is 2x minus 3, x is equal to 7. So mostly this is not the question for algebra, it is the question for what? कि triangle in the trapezium the diagonals are proportional. In the trapezium the diagonals are proportional. X is equal to 7 मिल गया था ना सबको? All of you were able to get ना? चलो, शाबाश, very good, very good, very good. Quadratic तो नहीं बनेगा बेटा, because x square got cancelled on both the sides. So only linear equation at the end we are remaining with. Very good, very good, very good. Awesome, awesome. Next question. Now we are coming to section C. अच्छा, तो that, अच्छा, if it is section C तो वो 2 marks का ही था question. So you can do it without showing the proof also. ठीक है? बिना proof के भी तुम लोग कर लोगे. Okay. Next question. Prove that root 5 is irrational. अब बताओ, ये तो highly repetitive question यार. Every time proof of irrationality को बिना छोड़े मत जाना. Do not leave प्रूफ ऑफ इररेशनैलिटी, अदरवाइज तो तुम लोगों का मार्क्स गया, पक्का बता रहा हूं, ठीक है। तो इसका प्रूफ तुमको पता है, वी व्हाट विल डू, मेथड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन वी विल से कि चलो सर लेट अस से इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर, देन यू विल स्क्वायर दिस पार्ट, तो p स्क्वायर इज 5q स्क्वायर, फिर तुम बोलोगे कि 5 डिवाइड्स p स्क्वायर, फिर नेक्स्ट पार्ट में आओगे कि चलो 5p वी विल टेक इट एज 5m बिकॉज p इज डिवाइडिंग 5 is dividing p square, so q square is 5m square, so you will find out कि q is also divisible by 5, so now you will say कि अरे p and q were co-prime integers, how 5 can be a common factor between them, so that means our assumption was wrong. If our assumption is wrong, we will say root 5 is an irrational number. ठीक है, ये तो लड्डू क्वेश्चन है, सही में ये लड्डू क्वेश्चन है, एकदम फ्री में मार्क्स आते हैं, इसको मत छोड़ के जाना यार। ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट, check graphically whether the following pair of linear equation is consistent, if yes solve it graphically। तो बेटा जल्दी से बताओ, consistent means I have told you the meaning in some of the classes. What is the meaning of consistent? Consistent equations means consistent equation which has solution. Sabash, very good. Consistent equation means it should have at least one solution. So both the case of unique solution as well as the parallel as well as the coincident lines, both comes under the consistent solution. Inconsistent means no solution, so parallel lines comes under the inconsistent solutions. अब बेटा याद रखना one more thing, the coincident lines they are called dependent consistent. Okay, they are called dependent consistent and the unique solution are called independent consistent. Unique solutions are called independent consistent. So here they are asking you just consistent, तो बस तुम लोग क्या करोगे, but they are saying check graphically. So draw the graph for this line, draw the graph for this line. तुम लोग देखोगे both the lines are intersecting at point origin. So you will say कि हाँ sir they are consistent because there is a solution and the common solution is 0, 0. The common solution is was 0, 0. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which term of this AP is its first negative term? Which term will give you the first negative term? Which term will give you the first negative term? अब बेटा देखो, you can very well see that the AP is decreasing. You can very well see that the AP is decreasing. Now what I will say कि मैं check कर लेता हूँ कि sir for what value I will just get it कि चलो सर जहाँ पे at which value I will get it equal to 0. Whatever value of n I will get, I will say sir the next whole number will be my negative answer, है ना? So we will say कि let us say sir an should be equal to 0. An equal to 0 के लिए check कर लेता हूँ. When an will be equal to 0, so first term a is 121, common difference d is equal to 117 minus 121 which is equal to 4 minus 4. So you will be getting an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 121 plus n minus 1 into d is what? Minus 4 should be equal to 0. So shift it there. So n minus 1 into minus 4 should be equal to minus 121. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 121 upon minus 4. So n is equal to 121 by 4 plus 1. So n is equal to 125 by 4. So इसको solve करोगे 4 3s are 4 1s are 31 1 by 4. They are saying कि 31 1 by 4th term will be 0. अब देखो number of terms cannot be this. Fraction नहीं होता है. It has to be a natural number. That means it says कि before 31 all the terms are positive. So 31st term was positive and after 31 1 by 4 all will be negative. So what I will say, that n is equal to 32 will be first negative term. First negative term. ठीक है? This is how you will get the answer. मिल गया? Not 31, 32. N is equal to 32 will be your first negative term. ठीक है? We will check for 0. अपने को देखा कि 0 is coming at 31 1 by 4. It is just telling you कि actually 0 will not come in this AP. So 31st term will be positive and then 32 term will be negative. 32 term will be negative. Okay, next question. Next part we have this. The vertices of a triangle right angled at B. अब देखो यार ये right angle at B बोला है, ठीक है, ध्यान रखना. Right angle at B. R vertices are what? A, B and C are given. Find the value of K. अब बताओ right angle at B बोला हुआ है तो which property I am going to use? Area of triangle. Which property I am going to use? Tell me to get the value of K. Which property I am going to use? Which theorem? कोई एक theorem बता दो मेरे को. Distance formula, Pythagoras theorem. Very good. Pythagoras theorem we are using with the help of the distance formula. So अपने को AB का distance मिल जाएगा, BC का distance and CK का distance मिल जाएगा and we will use the Pythagoras theorem to get the value of K. देख लो solution. Okay, we know AC square. अब देखो, how will you know which is hypotenuse? Because they have given the right angled at B. So since it is right angled at B, we will say, sir, AC is here. Got it? So AC is the hypotenuse, BC and AB are the other two sides. So solve it for this part using the distance formula. तो जब तुम इसको solve करोगे, you will get 8k is equal to 40. 8 में k is equal to 5 आंसर मिल जाएगा. Take a snapshot. जल्दी से बाद में देख लेना एक बार आंसर, how to do the solution अगर तुम लोगों ने नहीं किया है. Okay, what was the OR question? The point A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. Find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram on the base AB. तो बस तुमको लॉजिक बता देता हूं बेटा. These are the 4 vertices given. Okay, A, B, C, D vertices are given. They are saying find out the length of this altitude. What is the length of this altitude? So what I will say कि sir, I know that suppose if I have this area. Okay, I know the coordinates of A, I know the coordinates of B, I know the coordinates of D. So I can say I can get the area of triangle ADB. है ना? Area of triangle ADB I can get. If I get the area of triangle ADB using that formula, half of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 वो वाला formula से area of triangle ADB निकाल दो. अब area of triangle ADB will be equal to half into the length of AB into the altitude. This area you already know here. AB length you can get using distance formula. ठीक है? So बस put it here, you will get the value of h. Put it here, get the value of h. Okay? So this is how you will get. अरे भाई why not area of triangle? Area of triangle करके कर क्या लोगे? Area of triangle निकाल भी दिया तो k is equal to what? Equation क्या बनाओगे? Do you know the area of triangle? If they would have given area of the triangle, then I will use area of the triangle. Area of triangle will not work for me. Okay? Is it clear? Solution देख लो और वाले question का. Solution here देख लो. They have got the AB length is 5 units. Then they have got the area of triangle ABC, तो उनको मिल गया 49 by 2 square units. So AB into h, half into base into height is equal to area of the triangle. They have got the altitude. ठीक है? Highly repetitive question है. अगर हलवा question लग रहा है बहुत अच्छे, your preparation is going on really well. ठीक है? याद रखना. अरे इसमें एरिया करेगा, उसमें एरिया काम नहीं करेगा ना यार. एरिया इक्वल टू व्हाट? एरिया किसके बराबर करोगे? You are getting my point. What you will get the area equal to? You have to use Pythagoras theorem only. Okay? चलो. Let's move to the next question. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle of radius 5 centimeter. ठीक है. अच्छा आप देख लो. This is a very important question. Star mark question it is. ठीक है. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. Star mark question है. O is the center of the circle of radius 5 centimeter. T is a point such that OT is 13 centimeter. OT is 13. PT and QT are tangents to the circle at P and Q respectively. OT intersect the circle at the points E. Okay. If the AB is the tangent to the circle at E, find the length of AB. अब देखो ध्यान से. First thing बेटा, I can say देखो OP, the radius is given as what यार? OT is given as 13. ये OT जो है, it is given as 13. Then the radius is given as 5. Radius is given as 5. I know this angle is 90 degrees, so I can easily get PT will be equal to what? Sir, under root of 13 square minus 5 square, which means equal to 12 centimeter. ठीक है? PT मिल गया अपने को 12. PT मिल गया अपने को 12. अब देखो next part. What I'll say next part कि sir, we need to get the length of AB ना. Let us say AE. Let us say AE is equal to x. So PA will also be equal to x because by AP and AE are the tangents from an external point. So AP and AE should be equal. So I can say sir, the remaining length of AT will become 12 minus x. Remaining length of AT will become 12 minus x. ठीक है? अब देखो this total is 13. अब OE is equal to 5. So the ET part will be 13 minus 5 which is equal to 8 centimeter. ठीक है? So in this triangle, देख लो यहाँ पे जो triangle मैं दिखा रहा हूँ now, the green triangle which I'll show you now. Okay, this green triangle, AT we know is 12 minus x, AT we know is 12 minus x, AE we know is equal to x, and ET we know is equal to 8 centimeter. Now this angle will also be 90 degree. Why this angle will be 90 degree? Because read this line. OT intersects the circle at point E. If AB is tangent to the circle at E, AB is tangent to the circle at E. So if it is a tangent, E is the point of contact, the radius joining the point of contact will be perpendicular here. So AET is a right angle triangle. इस right angle triangle में use the Pythagoras theorem. How will you use it? X square plus 8 square is equal to 12 minus x whole square. What you will do? x square, देखो x square plus 8 square is 12 minus x whole square. Solve this part, you will get x is equal to 10 by 3. अब देखो बेटा AE and AB both will be equal. BE will also be 10 by 3. So overall length of AB will be 20 by 3 centimeter. How many of you were able to get it? किन किन को मिल गया था ये आंसर? 20 by 3. बेटा it is both combining both types of question because the students we have are both from standard as well as basic, so both the questions are combined. Is it clear? Proof नहीं करना है बेटा, but at least one line you have to write here. Since E is the point of contact of the tangent AB, so angle AET will be equal to 90 degree. ऐसा एक बार लिखना है. Okay. Next question. Next part is this. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. This 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Find a polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 3 beta, 3 alpha plus 2 beta. थोड़ा सा I'll explain it to you because बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये वाले में डाउट रहता है. Okay. So ध्यान से सुनना. First thing, this polynomial is given. Let us say its roots are alpha and beta. So the value of alpha plus beta will be equal to minus of minus 5 divided by 2, which is 5 by 2, and alpha into beta will be equal to 7 by 2. ठीक है? Both the values you have got here. Now you want the polynomial, a polynomial whose roots are 2 alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. तो बेटा ध्यान से देखो, we know the quadratic equation will be k times of x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots, है ना? This we know. If we know this part, so let us see the sum of roots. Sum of roots will be 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta. So what you are getting? 5 times of alpha plus beta, or beta alpha plus beta I know is what? 5 by 2. So you are getting 5 times of 5 by 2, which is 25 by 2. Sum of the roots is 25 by 2. Product of roots, let's find out. Product of roots, if you will do 2 alpha plus 3 beta into 3 alpha plus 2 beta, जल्दी से multiply करो. So if you multiply this part, what you are getting? 2 alpha and 3 alpha is 6 alpha square. 2 alpha and 2 beta is 4 alpha beta. 3 beta and 3 beta, 3 beta and 3 alpha is 9 alpha beta, and 3 beta and 2 alpha is 6 beta square. ठीक है? So what you are getting? 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square plus 13 alpha beta. 9 plus 4 is 13 alpha beta. ठीक है? अब थोड़ा सा ध्यान से सोच लेना एक बार. I am rewriting this part. 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square. 13 alpha beta, what I'll do? I will write it as 12 alpha beta plus alpha beta. ठीक है? Now look at this part. From here, if I take alpha 6 common, I'll be getting alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you'll be getting 6 times of alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta. So 6 times of 5 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 2. इस part को solve करो, you will get the product of roots as well. ठीक है? I'll just show you the solution now. देखो, sum of the roots we have got as 25 by 2. Product of the roots हम लोगों ने solve किया, we have got 41. 6 times of 5 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 2. Finally, you have got what? 75 by 2 plus 7 by 2, which is 41. So the required polynomial will be k times of x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Okay? याद आया? हाँ बेटा, the roots are unreal. I know the roots are unreal, but by this part, by this you will see this equation also the roots are unreal. ठीक है? उस वाले में मत जाओ. I know the roots are unreal, but उसको solve करोगे तो इसका भी roots unreal ही है, but जो imaginary numbers होते हैं उसमें it will be 3 times of that. Okay, it will make sense. Should we do optional questions? क्यों करोगे यार? When you are attempting the test, attempt it like a test. ठीक है? बाद में solve कर लेना optional question. Okay, let's move to the next question. एक बार देख लेना. Take a screenshot because it is again the type of polynomial where you do alpha square plus beta square is there. This is a bit difficult question which we have put. कि तुम लोगों को थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग जाए अगर कुछ ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो. ओके, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट बेटा जल्दी से. PDF will be uploaded, don't worry. Now next question was what? Find the zeros of the polynomial. This polynomial, if it is given that the zeros are in AP. अब zeros are in AP, जल्दी से बता दो. If the zeros are given in AP, what you are going to take the zeros as? How will you take the zeros? If the zeros are given in AP, I have told you in the starting also. If the zeros are given in AP, how will you take the zeros? No, which form? Very good, very good. A minus D, A and A plus D. Very good. You will take the zeros as A minus D, A and A plus D. तो देखो इन्होंने बोला, let us say one zero is A minus D, one is A, one is A plus D. We know this cubic equation. Sum of the zeros should be equal to minus of B by A. So you got that A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 12. तो यहाँ से you have solved, you got A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 you have got. Now product of the roots देखो, alpha into beta into gamma should be equal to minus of constant term divided by 1 divided by coefficient of x cube. So I've got 28. Now alpha into beta into gamma, that is A minus D into A plus D is 28. A minus D into A plus D is what? A square minus D square is equal to 28. So A into A square minus D square is 28. We know A is equal to 4. Shift the values of 4 here. तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा D is equal to plus minus 3. बस दोनों values निकाल दो. 1, 4, 7 are going to be the roots. 1, 4, 7 are going to be the roots. Okay, ये थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है बेटा. This is a good question. It can be asked because NCERT में you have syllabus, in your syllabus AP also, you have in your syllabus the polynomial also, and there is nothing new here. ठीक है, तो इसको snapshot ले लो. If you have not done this question, अच्छा question है. This is a very good question. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Next part. Cards marked with the number 3, 4, 5 up to 50. देखो 3, 4, 5 up to 50 are placed in the bags and mixed thoroughly. One card is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the numbers are on the card is. पहले बताओ मेरे को how many total cards are there? Tell me in this 33 first part. How many total cards are there? In the first part, how many total cards are there? 48 cards. Very good. देखो 1 to 50 होते तो total 50 cards. 1 and 2 is not there, so remaining 42 cards. Okay. Now you want divisibility by 7. So in this, how many numbers are divisible by 7? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 7 numbers are divisible. So 7 upon 48. Divisibility by 7. Second, they are asking a perfect square. So इसमें how many perfect square are there? देखो 2 square is present, 2 square is present, 3 square is present, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. So total how many cases? 6 cases are there. So 6 by 48, which is 1 by 8. And the last option they are asking a multiple of 6. So multiple of 6 देख लो. So total how many? 8 multiple of 6 are there. So 8 by 48, which is equal to 1 by 6. The next question was a pair of dice is thrown once, so find a probability of getting the same number on both sides. So doublet we have got, what was that? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 6 cases out of 36, so 1 by 6. A doublet of prime numbers. That means the doublet should be there, but only of prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there, sir? 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. Okay, sorry, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. अरे प्राइम बोल रहे हैं, what I am saying, sorry. Prime numbers में 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. So 3 cases are there, 1 by 6. A doublet of odd numbers में 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. So again 1 by 3 by 36. ठीक है, देख लो यहाँ पे. Doublet of prime numbers में 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3 by 36. Doublet of odd numbers में 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. अब they can ask you doublet of even numbers also, doublet of multiple of 2, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बस थोड़ा सा cases याद रख लेना. Okay, and do not forget to make this table. When the sum questions are asked, this table is very helpful. ये वाला table, all of you know how to make it. All of you know how to make the table. All of you know how to make the table ना. This two dice problems में बहुत important होता है. When the sum questions are there, the table is very important. बना के आना अच्छे से, मस्त marks मिलेंगे तुमको. ठीक है, चलो. Very good. Next part. The percentage of marks obtained by 100 students in an examination are given below. Find the median. चलो median बताना ना. मेरे को पहले ये बता दो. Which is the median class? You tell me. Which is the median class? ये मेरे को बता दो एक बार. जल्दी से solve करके बताओ. Which is the median class? Which is the median class? Okay, 45 to 50. I have got one answer. हाँ, cumulative frequency निकालो ना. निकालो cumulative frequency. अरे निकालो ना यार, तुम लोग पेन पेपर लेके बैठे हो. 45 to 50. चलो मैक्सिमम आर गोइंग 45 to 50. कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं 40 to 45 ऑल्सो, एंड सम आर सेइंग 50 to 55 ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो बेटा व्हाट यू विल डू मीडियन क्लास के लिए फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गेट द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो 14 plus 16 30 30 plus 18 48 48 plus 23 71 71 plus 18 89 89 plus 8 is 97 97 plus 3 is 100. Total sum of frequency is 100. Divide 100 by 2, n by 2 you will check, n by 2 is 50. Now see which cumulative frequency is just greater, याद रखना, not near, greater to this part, n by 2. The median class will be the class whose cumulative frequency is just greater than the value of n by 2. तो देखो यहाँ पे n by 2 कहाँ पे है, n by 2 is 50. 50 no sir, smaller 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 greater, direct यहाँ पे. So 71, this class is going to be your median class 45 to 50. Very good. Median class मिल गया, n by 2 मिल गया. अब बताओ what is the value, तुमको median का फॉर्मूला पता है. In that there is one term which is CF. CF का वैल्यू बताओ मेरे को बेटा. In the median formula, what is the value of CF? What is the value of CF? Very good, very good. CF is equal to 48. Remember, in the formula for median, CF stands for cumulative frequency of the previous class. Previous class का है. बहुत बच्चे 71 करके आ जाते हैं, पूरा क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो जाता है. Okay? So, the lower limit of the median class is 45. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 48. फ्रीक्वेंसी, अब देखो जिसमें जो f ना, f stands for the frequency, not the cumulative frequency. So frequency is 23 and into h is the class size. Solve करोगे इसको, you will be getting 45.4. Again बेटा देखो चेक करना हो तो always remember median will always lie in the median class. Median class is what, 45 to 50. देख लो median is 45.4. Okay, median is what, 45.4. Is it clear? Next part. Now we'll go for the section D part. Okay. The next test will be the link for the next test will be shared with you beta by today evening. Okay, आज evening तक the link of the next test will be shared with you. Okay, next part. 1/4 of a herd of camels was seen in the forest. Twice the square root of the herd has gone to the mountain and remaining 15 camels were seen on the bank of a river. Find the total number of camels. So beta, let us say total number of camels is equal to what? X. So they are saying 1/4 of the herd of the camels was seen in the forest. So x by 4 are in the forest. Twice the square root of the herd. Twice the square root of the herd has gone to the mountains and remaining 15 camels were seen on the river. So this is the total group. It should be equal to x. ये तुम्हारी equation है. Okay, this is your equation. Now to solve this equation, जब इस equation को solve करोगे, so you will get root x and x. To take root x is equal to t. X will become t square. You will get a quadratic equation. फिर उसको solve करना है. देख लो यहाँ पे x by 4 plus 2 root x plus 15 is equal to x. Solve this part. You have got 3x minus 8 root x minus 60. ठीक है. Now what you will take? Suppose कि x is equal to y square. So this root x will become y. So now you have got a quadratic equation. तो देखो what you have got, y is equal to 6 और y is equal to minus 10 by 3. So solve कर लेना, यहाँ पे दिखा हुआ है. ठीक है. Now look at this part. If y is equal to minus 10 by 3, I can say x is minus 10 by 3 whole square, which is 100 by 9. But वो तो possible नहीं है भाई, ऊंट कटे हुए थोड़ी मिलेंगे अपने को, हाफ ऊंट ऐसे होता नहीं है. Then y is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 square, which is 36. So there are total 36 camels in the herd. Okay. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Next part. Next question क्या था यहाँ पे? Check whether this equation has real roots, and if it has, then by the method of completing the square, also verify that the roots obtained satisfy the given equation. तो बस पहले check करना है, तो first find out the discriminant. You saw that the discriminant is greater than 0, so there exist real roots. फिर completing the square method से उसको solve किया हुआ है. Okay, I have taught you completing the square method in the previous class, तो तुम लोग देख सकते हो. But many of you have got this impression that completing the square method is not coming. But if you still have time, एक बार देख लेना, because NCERT, if anything is given in the books, it might come in the examination. That is my advice to you. Okay. Next part. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check whether this is equal to this or not. अब देखना बेटा, ध्यान सुनना अभी सुनो. This 3 cot is equal to 4, so cot A is equal to 4 by 3. They are saying check whether this is equal to this or not. तो मतलब you have to get, भाई cot की वैल्यू given है, they have given you the value of cot, get the value of tan, cos and sin, check the value of LHS, check the value of RHS and verify whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So how do you do it? कि बेटा cot is given base by perpendicular which is 4/3. So let's say base the base बे क्या कर दिया इन लोगों ने, बेस बाय पर थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे कर दिया इन्होंने डायग्राम. ओके, इट शुड बी 4K हियर 3K हियर. चलो कोई नहीं. कॉट, अच्छा कॉट ए है ना, हाँ कॉट ए है, सॉरी ठीक है कॉट ए. सो थीटा इज हियर, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है, तो अब देख लो, use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC is equal to 5K. Why we are using K? Because it is a ratio. It is a ratio. Ratio of AB by BC is 4:3. So let us say AB is 4K, BC is 3K. So you have got AC is equal to 5K. Ab you know everything, you can get all the thetas. So tan will become 3/4, sine will become 3/5, cos will become 4/5. You know, this is the first exercise of NCERT. When any one ratio is given, you can get all the remaining ratios. अब देखो LHS को चेक करो, LHS will become 7/25, RHS को चेक करो, RHS will also become 7/25, hence verified. ठीक है, तो इसमें तुमको सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस वैल्यूज निकाल के पुट करना है. सो दिस इज कंपैरेटिवली इजी. जिन लोगों को टू प्रूव टाइप के क्वेश्चन से डर लगता है, फॉर देम इट इज इजी. ओके, अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था. The next question which we had is this: sin theta plus sec theta whole square cos theta plus cosec theta whole square is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta whole square. ध्यान रखना, what is RHS? This you have to create. तो we don't have any other option. क्या करेंगे यार? sin theta sec theta I will write as 1 by cos theta, cosec theta I will write as 1 by sin theta whole square. है ना? a plus b ब्रैकेट को एक्सपेंड करो, so sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos square theta, और यहाँ पे भी सेम एक्सपेंशन है. sin square theta and cos square theta will be equal to 1. अरे यार दिस थिंग है ना. ठीक है, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एंड कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा विल गिव यू 1. अब देखो इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करो, 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एंड 1 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, और इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करो. ओके, टेक देयर एलसीएम. सो यहाँ पे इफ यू विल ज्वाइन 1 बाय कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा एंड 1 बाय साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, यू विल टेक द एलसीएम. द न्यूमरेटर विल बिकम कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा डिवाइड बाय cos square theta sin square theta, and here if you will take LCM it will again become sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So at the end तुम लोगों को फॉर्म क्या मिल रहा है, देखो 1 plus sec square theta, 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta, 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta plus 2 into 1 by sin theta cosec theta. So it will become 1 by cosec theta sec theta. अब देखो ध्यान से, a square b square and it is 2 times of 1 into b. So it is forming a plus b whole square. अब you will be thinking कि सर कैसे मेरे को पता चलेगा कि it is a plus b whole square forming? यार you should have this I on RHS. You want something whole square. So वहां से तुमको you will get the idea. Okay? लेंथी तो है, करना पड़ेगा ना, 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है ना, 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा, कुछ नहीं करना है तुमको. ओपन द स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड, सेक एंड कॉसेक को साइन एंड कॉस में कन्वर्ट कर लो. ओके, ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, एक्सपेंड द ब्रैकेट्स, वो क्या है अपना a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर करके साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा को पेयर कर लो. 1 बाय साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा को पेयर करो, टेक द एलसीएम, एंड देन 2 साइन थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा एंड 2 कॉस थीटा बाय साइन थीटा को पेयर कर लो, टेक द एलसीएम, यू विल गेट योर आंसर. ठीक है, let's go for the next question. The next question we have is this: the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Again a NCERT question. By tower is given to you. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. So one point is at 4 meter, the other point is at 9 meter. Okay, and the angles are complementary. So if it is theta, it will become 90 minus theta. Let's say it is equal to H A B C D. ठीक है, take any one triangle. Suppose if you start with triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if you will take, you will say sir H by 4 is equal to perpendicular upon base is equal to tan theta. And if you talk about in triangle ABD, you can say tan of 90 minus theta is equal to what? H by 9. अब then tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta is equal to H by 9. This is the equation of tan theta. this is the equation of cot theta. I know that, sir, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is what? So tan theta is h by 4. Cot theta is what, yeah? So cot theta is, sorry, h by 9 is equal to 1. Solve karo, h square is equal to 4 into 9, 36. So h is equal to plus minus 6. But h cannot be negative, so h is equal to 6 meter. NCERT का क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ईजी है ना? ईजी है ना? नेक्स्ट पार्ट, ड्रॉ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस. कंस्ट्रक्शन का क्वेश्चन कर लोगे? कंस्ट्रक्शन का क्वेश्चन कर लोगे? कंस्ट्रक्शन, द टेंजेंट्स आर इंक्लाइंड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. तो क्या करोगे पहले बेटा? फर्स्ट यू विल ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. Now if this angle is 60 degree, these are inclined at 60 degree, so the angle between the radius, what will be the angle? 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. So draw two radius at an angle of 120 degree, draw the perpendicular at both the points and make them intersect. है ना? ये वाला easy question है. Next question, a cone of radius 4 cm is divided into two parts by drawing a plane through the midpoint of its axis and parallel to its base. Compare the volume of the parts. अब बेटा इसमें ना थोड़ा सा ध्यान सुन लेना. Whenever you cut a cone, सुनो, this is the derivation of frustum of the cone also, this thing is used, but I'll just tell you right now. याद रखना, suppose if it is a cone and if you are intersecting from here, let's say the cone radius is capital R, the cone's height is capital H. Okay, let's say the cone's radius is capital R, cone's height is capital H. अब देखो, let us say this is small r. This is, let's say, the height of the top cone formed is small h and the radius of the top cone formed is small r. ठीक है? So in this question बेटा, remember क्या होता है? These two triangles formed are similar triangles. ये जो दो triangle है, they are similar triangles. Why? This angle is 90, this angle is also 90, and since these two lines are parallel, so by corresponding angle, these two angles are also equal. So you have to remember, small r by capital R is equal to small h by capital H. ठीक है? This is the main thing here. This thing all of you knew? All of you knew this thing or not? ये वाला पता था तुमको? है ना? This thing only is used in the derivation of the frustum of the cone, that we say that these two triangles are similar. ठीक है? तो बस कुछ नहीं करना है, compare the volumes. So you will get by frustum का volume. Now frustum का height will be capital H minus small h होगा. ठीक है? और उसका वॉल्यूम और वो सब तुमको पता कर देना है. तो मैं तुमको दिखा देता हूँ पूरा. देख लो. ओके, तो दे हैव गिवन दिस हाइट, दिस रेडियस इज गिवन एज 4. और कुछ दिया हुआ है क्या? Anything else given? No, only radius is given. Only radius is given, the height of the cone is not given. Okay, so I can say, देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं? NC by MB, small r by capital R is equal to ON by OM is equal to small h by capital H. So small r by 4 capital R is equal to h by 2. Why h by 2? Because यहाँ पे बोला हुआ है it divided into two parts by drawing a plane through the midpoint of the axis. So it is going through the midpoint of this axis. So this small, if suppose total height is h, this height is going to be h by 2. तो बस यहाँ से you have got the ratio. So you have got small radius will be 1 by 2. ठीक है? Small radius is 1 by 2 and the heights are in the ratio. ऊपर वाले का h by 2 है, नीचे वाले का small h है. So frustum का height also will get h by 2 only. देख लो एक बार. Look at here one more time. This is suppose small r. This is equal to capital R. Okay. This is h by 2 and this is capital H. Why? Because they have told it is passing through the midpoint of the axis. So by similarity of triangle, since triangle ONC and triangle OMB will be similar, I can say small r by capital R is equal to h by 2 comma h. ठीक है? Capital R is given as 4. h by 2 upon h is 1 by 2. You will get r is equal to 2 centimeter. So the small radius is 2 centimeter. अब देखो, the height of the frustum will also be what? h by 2 only. है ना? So you can get, you have the radius, height, both the volumes you will get in the terms of what? Capital H. तो तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा वॉल्यूम. इसका कर लो, this cone, this top is a cone, so 1 by 3 into pi into small r square into h करो into h by 2, and the volume of the frustum of the cone you can use is 1 by 3 pi into small r square plus capital R square into small r into capital R into h by 2. ठीक है? And you have to compare the volume. तो what you will do? End में divide करके you remove the h part. ठीक है? So this is द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन, दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फ्रस्टम. दोनों को डिवाइड कर लो, h विल गेट कैंसल, यू विल गेट द रेशियो बिटवीन देयर वॉल्यूम्स. बोल देना दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम्स. ठीक है. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था वो वाला बात, याद रखना. ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो होता है ना, ऐसे दिस टाइप का क्वेश्चन जिसमें दे विल कट इट फ्रॉम द एक्सिस, सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स यूज करना होता है. डेरिवेशन ऑफ फ्रस्टम्स इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट इफ यू आर डन विद द होल सिलेबस एक बार कर लेना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट देख लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डायरेक्ट वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन यार. इसमें देखो उन्होंने क्या बोला है, फ्रस्टम ऑफ द कोन दिया हुआ है, फ्रस्टम ऑफ द कोन इज गिवन वेयर. अब ये तो देखो इन दोनों में से क्वेश्चन में, इफ आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ना, बच्चों को क्या लगता है छोटा क्वेश्चन है जल्दी होगा, बट दैट इज डिफिकल्ट कंपेयर टू दिस वन. देखो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन आ रहा है, बट देयर इज डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूलाज इन्वॉल्व. देख लो व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड, फ्रस्टम ऑफ अ कोन, हाइट गिवन, ओके, रेडियस ऑफ इट्स लोअर एंड अपर एंड्स आर आल्सो गिवन. ओके, नाउ बस तुमको वॉल्यूम, कॉस्ट ऑफ द मिल्क, तो मिल्क कैसे पता चलता है, वॉल्यूम से. फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम, मल्टीप्लाई विद द कॉस्ट. ऑल्सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ मेटल शीट यूज टू मेक द कंटेनर. अब बेटा मेरे को एक बात बता दो जरा. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट गिवन, अ कंटेनर ओपनड फ्रॉम द टॉप एंड, a container opened from the top end. Let's say this is the container here. Okay, lower ends का radius है 8, here the radius is 20 and height is given as 16. ठीक है. They are asking, मैं इसमें interested हूँ, I am interested in this part, cost of metal sheet to make the container. Option A, I am saying you just have to tell me which one is going to be correct. Okay, let us say pi into 8 plus 20 into 16. Second option, pi into 8 plus 20 into 16 plus pi into 8 square. Option C, pi into 8 plus 20 into 16 plus pi into 20 square. Option D, pi into 8 plus 20 into 16 plus pi into 8 square plus pi into 20 square. जल्दी से बताओ which option will tell me correctly the sheet, the area of the sheet used. Which one? जल्दी से बताओ. Very good. बच्चों को confusion थोड़ा सा है B and C में. बेटा remember B is the correct answer. It is opened from the top. It is open from the top. So material is present in the curved surface area as well as at the bottom. So curved surface area pi into r plus r into l. अच्छा l करना था ना, चलो मैंने l करना था, यहाँ पे l कर लो, l निकालना है, l l l l करना है. ठीक है, l o o o o. ठीक है, l होगा, देख लो यहाँ पे पाई इंटू आर प्लस आर कहाँ गया, हाँ, पाई इंटू आर प्लस आर इंटू एल प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर, स्मॉल वाला पाई इंटू 8 स्क्वायर वाला करना है. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है बट हो जाएगा. हाँ, 16 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा बेटा, वो स्लैंट हाइट होगा, एल होगा. ठीक है, स्लैंट हाइट होगा, स्लैंट हाइट हो जाएगा. देख लो दोनों क्वेश्चन. कैलकुलेशन ज्यादा है, कैलकुलेशन तुम लोग कर लेना यार. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन तुम लोग कर लेना, कैलकुलेशन इज देयर, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. कंस्ट्रक्शन, डू वी हैव टू राइट द स्टेप्स. स्टेप्स अगर रखने का, लिखने का टाइम है, फर्स्ट जस्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम एंड कंप्लीट द होल पेपर. इफ टाइम इज लेफ्ट तब बाद में स्टेप्स लिख देना, वरना मत लिखना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. The distribution below gives the marks of 100 students of a class. Draw less than type and more than type ogive from the given data, hence obtain the medians from the graphs. अब बेटा देखो, मैं एक क्वेश्चन में ना तुमको less than type और more than type टेबल बनाना सिखा रहा हूं. उसके बाद में drawing the graph is very easy. ठीक है, याद रखना, for less than type, how many values, which values you will write. Always remember कि sir for less than data ना, for less than type we always take the upper class limits. We always take the upper class limit. So it will become less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40. ठीक है. Now the cumulative frequency, how do you get? Cumulative frequency you will get by the normal cumulative frequency you get. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 25, 55, 55 plus 22. अरे बाप रे, 50, 75, 77, 77 plus 18, 95 and 95 plus 5, 100. ठीक है, this is the less than type. अब this will going to be your x coordinate, this is going to be your y coordinate. याद रखना. अब more than type में देख लो. In more than type data, in more than type you take the lower class limits. In more than, you will take the lower class limits. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So more than 0, more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30, more than 35. अब इसका cumulative frequency is done in a different way. First, you know the sum of frequency, so 100 will come here. 100, the sum of frequency is the frequency for the first class. After that, keep subtracting the frequencies from there. 100 minus 4, 100 minus first frequency is 96, 96 minus first frequency is 90, 90 minus 10 is 80, 80 minus 10 is 70, 70 minus 25 is 45, 45 minus 22 is 23. अच्छा कहाँ कर लिया मैं? And 23 minus 18 is 5. ठीक है, so this is how it will be done. एक बात याद रखना, in case of more than type, the frequency and cumulative frequency of the last class is same, and in case of less than type, the frequency and the cumulative frequency of the first class is same. ठीक है, again this is also x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. Plot the graphs. Wherever both will intersect, wherever both will intersect, it will be your correct answer. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? तो देख लो दोनों टेबल्स. ठीक है, सो लेस देन टाइप में 4, 10, 20, 30 ना, एंड यहाँ पे 96, 80, 80, 70, 70, 45, 23, 5. इन लोगों को पुट कर दो. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? हो गया. अब पुट द पॉइंट्स. मोर देन, बेटा याद रखना, लेस देन ओजिव, जो भी लेस देन ओजिव होगा ना, इट विल ऑलवेज गो अप, एंड जो भी मोर देन ओजिव होगा वो हमेशा आएगा डाउन. देखो, दिस इज योर लेस देन ओजिव, इट इज गोइंग अप. More than ojiv, it is going down. The point of intersection will tell you your median. ठीक है, this is all in the syllabus. अब याद रखना, by today evening, बेटा ध्यान रखना, by today evening we will share a test link with you. Please attempt that test. Please attempt that test. It is very important. Next day, tomorrow, I am going to discuss that test one more time. Okay? तो याद कर लेना बेटा. ओके, चलो, दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड इन टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग. सर, डू वी हैव कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड? बेटा एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट देयर, बट एक बार वी डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी चांस बिकॉज एनसीईआरटी हैज टोल्ड कि एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द बुक कैन कम. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी चांस. ओके, सो इफ योर होल सिलेबस इज फिनिश्ड, डोंट टेक एनी टेंशन. ठीक है, चलो, तो थैंक यू सो मच. सर, लिंक कहाँ है बेटा? द लिंक विल बी शेयर्ड इन द कम्युनिटी पेज ऑफ द Vedantu 9th and 10th channel. So keep checking in the community page, you will get the link. Okay, chalo, so thank you so much beta for attending the class. I'll see you soon in the next class. Bye bye, good night, see you soon, bye bye.